69 Pontiac Catalina Convertible. Got a big old motor in it. I don't know what that is. Like, you know, I mean, the blocks are all the same. Might be 455, I assume. Something like that. Looks like this thing's been used a couple miles, but it's all there. Good to go. It's solid and works. Got air conditioning, factory air. White interior. Rear speaker in the back like that. I love that. This is when you put them like smack in the middle of the seat like that. And you know, they don't have these bench seats anymore because you can't do the airbags. Bench seats were great. Especially you got the girl in there. You know, the seats go all the way back. One big thing here. Air conditioning. Wood grain steering wheel. All ready. Big old slap of steel there for sure, man. Ain't it?